AI YouTube channel. My name is Daniel, and I'll be your host today as I read the audiobook Navigating the Gig Economy: Strategies for Success as a Freelancer. So let's go right to reading the book. Introduction of the book. Welcome to Navigating the Gig Economy: Strategies for Success as a Freelancer, an audiobook designed to help guide you through the world of freelancing and achieve success in the rapidly growing gig economy. The gig economy is a term that refers to the trend of companies and individuals using independent contractors, rather than full-time employees, to complete tasks and projects. This new way of working offers many benefits such as flexibility, freedom, and the ability to work on your own terms. However, it also comes with its own set of challenges, such as finding clients, managing finances and taxes, and staying productive and organized. Throughout this audiobook, we will cover a range of topics to help you navigate the gig economy and achieve success as a freelancer. We will begin by defining the gig economy and its growth in recent years, and discussing the pros and cons of freelancing. We will then delve into the different types of gig jobs available and help you identify your skills and interests to find the right gig for you. We will also discuss how to market yourself and your services effectively, and how to build a website and social media presence to attract clients. We'll explore the importance of networking and building relationships with potential clients, and show you how to find and use freelance platforms. Managing finances and taxes can be a daunting task for freelancers, but it is crucial to success. In this audiobook, we will provide you with tips on setting rates and negotiating with clients, as well as strategies for organizing and managing income and expenses. We will also explain the tax laws and regulations that you need to comply with as a freelancer. To help you stay productive and organized, we will also cover tips for setting goals, creating a schedule, and managing your time effectively to avoid procrastination. Additionally, we'll guide you on how to stay focused and motivated to ensure you stay ahead in the gig economy. Finally, we will help you to keep up with industry trends, continuously learn and improve your skills, and build a brand and reputation. We will also show you how to diversify income streams to ensure you have a stable financial footing in the gig economy. This audiobook is designed to provide you with practical advice and guidance to help you succeed as a freelancer in the gig economy. Remember to stay positive, be persistent, and always be willing to learn and adapt to changes. We hope you find it helpful, and we wish you all the best on your freelancing journey. Chapter 1: Understanding the Gig Economy. Defining the gig economy and its growth in recent years. In this chapter, we will be discussing the gig economy and its growth in recent years. The gig economy refers to the trend of companies and individuals using independent contractors, rather than full-time employees, to complete tasks and projects. This new way of working has become increasingly popular in recent years, and it is projected to continue growing in the future. One of the main reasons for the growth of the gig economy is the rise of technology and the internet. These advancements have made it easier for individuals to find gig work, and for companies to connect with freelancers and independent contractors. The gig economy is also attractive to many people because of the flexibility and freedom it offers. Many gig workers enjoy the ability to work on their own terms and schedule, and to have more control over their work-life balance. However, the gig economy also has its downsides. One of the biggest challenges for gig workers is finding steady and consistent work. Unlike traditional employees, gig workers are not guaranteed a steady income, and they may have to constantly search for new clients and projects. Additionally, gig workers are typically not eligible for the same benefits as traditional employees, such as healthcare and retirement plans. Another challenge for gig workers is the lack of job security. As an independent contractor, you may find yourself out of work if a client decides to go with a different freelancer or if a project comes to an end. Additionally, gig workers are also not protected by laws that safeguard employees, such as those that prevent discrimination or ensure a safe working environment. In this chapter, we have discussed the gig economy and its growth in recent years. We have defined what it is, the reasons for its growth, and its pros and cons. In the next chapter, we will delve into the different types of gig jobs available and help you identify your skills and interests to find the right gig for you. We will also discuss the importance of developing a freelancing business plan to ensure that you have a clear direction and a strategy to achieve success as a freelancer. The pros and cons of freelancing. In this chapter, we will be discussing the pros and cons of freelancing, which is a key aspect of the gig economy. Let's start with the pros of freelancing. One of the biggest advantages of freelancing is the flexibility it offers. As a freelancer, you have the freedom to work on your own schedule, choose your own projects, and determine your own rates. This allows you to have more control over your work-life balance, and to pursue projects that align with your interests and passions. Another advantage of freelancing is the opportunity to work with a variety of clients and industries. This can lead to a diverse and interesting portfolio, and can provide opportunities for learning and personal growth. In addition, freelancing can also be a great way to gain experience, build a professional network, and establish yourself as an expert in your field. However, there are also downsides to freelancing. One of the biggest challenges for freelancers is the lack of a steady income. Unlike traditional employees, freelancers are not guaranteed a steady paycheck, and they may have to constantly search for new clients and projects. Additionally, freelancers are typically not eligible for the same benefits as traditional employees, such as healthcare and retirement plans. Another challenge for freelancers is the lack of job security. As an independent contractor, you may find yourself out of work if a client decides to go with a different freelancer or if a project comes to an end. Additionally, freelancers are also not protected by laws that safeguard employees, such as those that prevent discrimination or ensure a safe working environment. In this chapter, we have discussed the pros and cons of freelancing and how they are related to the gig economy. We have described the benefits of having flexibility, the opportunity of working with different clients and industries, and being able to establish yourself as an expert in your field. On the other hand, we have also outlined the challenges that comes with freelancing, such as lack of steady income, lack of job security, and lack of benefits. In the next chapter, we will delve into the different types of gig jobs available and help you identify your skills and interests to find the right gig for you. Types of gig jobs available. In this chapter, we will be discussing the different types of gig jobs that are available in the gig economy. One of the most popular gig jobs is freelance writing. This can include writing for blogs, magazines, and newspapers, as well as creating content for websites and social media platforms. Freelance writing can also encompass areas such as technical writing, copywriting, and content marketing. Another popular gig job is graphic design. This can include creating logos, website designs, and marketing materials for a variety of clients. Graphic design can also encompass areas such as animation, illustration, and photo editing. Web development and programming are also in-demand gig jobs. These can include building websites, developing mobile apps, and working on software development projects. This type of gig jobs requires skills in coding languages such as HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Python. Virtual assistance is another popular gig job. This can include tasks such as scheduling appointments, managing emails, and handling social media accounts. Virtual assistance is ideal for those who are organized, detail-oriented, and have strong communication skills. Additionally, there are gig jobs in areas such as consulting, tutoring, coaching, photography and video production, translation and interpretation, and customer service. The options are diverse and can suit a wide range of skills, interests, and expertise. In this chapter, we have discussed the different types of gig jobs that are available in the gig economy, such as freelance writing, graphic design, web development and programming, virtual assistants, and other areas like consulting, tutoring, coaching, photography and video production, translation and interpretation, and customer service. In the next chapter, we will help you identify your skills and interests, guide you on how to find the right gig for you, and how to develop a freelancing business plan to ensure success. Identifying your skills and interests to find the right gig for you. In this chapter, we will be discussing how to identify your skills and interests to find the right gig for you in the gig economy. One of the first steps in finding the right gig is to take inventory of your skills and interests. This can include both your professional skills and your personal hobbies and passions. It's important to be honest with yourself about what you are good at and what you enjoy doing. When identifying your skills, consider the tasks and responsibilities that you have had in previous jobs or experiences. Think about the types of projects you have worked on and the tools and technologies you have used. Also consider the transferable skills that you have acquired and that can be applied in a variety of fields. When identifying your interests, think about the activities that you enjoy doing in your free time. For example, if you love writing and blogging, then a gig in freelance writing might be a great fit for you. Or if you have a passion for photography, then a gig in photography or videography could be a good option. It's also important to consider your values and what is important to you in a job. Think about the work environment, the company culture, and the type of clients you want to work with. Once you have identified your skills and interests, you can begin to research the different types of gig jobs available and how they align with your skills and interests. You can also start networking and reaching out to professionals in the fields that you are interested in to gain more insights and learn about opportunities. It's also important to note that freelancing is not a one-time decision, it's a dynamic process. It's important to continuously evaluate your skills, interests, and values and adapt your gig accordingly. In this chapter, we have discussed how to identify your skills and interests to find the right gig for you in the gig economy. We have highlighted the importance of taking inventory of your skills and interests, and considering your values and what is important to you in a job. We have also discussed the importance of researching the different types of gig jobs available and networking to gain more insights and learn about opportunities. In the next chapter, we will discuss how to market yourself and your services effectively, and how to build a website and social media presence to attract clients. We will explore the importance of networking and building relationships with potential clients, and show you how to find and use freelance platforms. We will also provide tips and strategies for creating a professional online presence and standing out in a crowded marketplace, so you can attract and retain clients. By the end of this chapter, you will have the tools and knowledge to effectively market yourself and your services, and to find the right gig that aligns with your skills and interests. I sincerely hope you enjoyed Chapter 1 of our book. I look forward to seeing you in the chapters to come. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel as well. You are watching Infinity AI.